Is your spacious living and dining area, where you will be getting two parallel platforms. You have extra space at the entrance of your master bedroom that gives you. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purra and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project Vaishnavi Pride with the code name Central Square by Vaishnavi Buildcon located in Kalyan East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project. Right behind me you can see the sales office, and to my right you can see the actual tower where you can see the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. The project is located near Chakkinaka Circle. The road to the right leads you to Chakkinaka Circle and Kalyan railway station, and from the left you can connect to the highway. We will be getting into all details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, speaking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 1 acre that will have total of 1 tower of ground plus 2 commercial plus 3rd to 21st floor residential that will have 1 BHK and 2 BHK residentials. Speaking of amenities, this project has 30 plus amenities. As you can see in the model, it will have an infinity swimming pool, gym, kids play area, party lawn, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near to Chakkinaka Circle, Kalyan East, from where Kalyan railway station is at a distance of 1.5 kilometers, Kalyan Shilphata Road is at a distance of 3 kilometers, upcoming metro is only at a distance of 2 minutes, and you have school, colleges, hospital all within the distance of 500 meters from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now, let's move to the sample flat tour. And now, before starting with the sample flat tour, let me tell you that we are standing at the actual tower that is under construction for now. You can also have a look at the actual lobby. And this over here is the entrance to the sample flat. This is a 2 BHK of the residential project Vaishnavi Pride that is spread across the carpet area of 775 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious living and dining area. You can have a look how spacious your living and dining is. You can place your sofas. You will be getting vitrified tiles in the whole flat. You can place your center table in the living, customize your TV units. Also, over here will be your dining corner where you can easily place a 4-people dining table and enjoy mealtime with your friends and family. You can also see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture at your living and dining. And attached to this living area, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where you can easily place swings, tea tables, tea chairs or customize an extra entertainment corner as per your choice. Also, as we said, we are standing at the actual tower, so you can have a look at the actual view. Moving forward, right over here we have your alley area that has entrance to your kitchen, washroom and your bedrooms. First, on this side we have your kitchen space where you will be getting 2 parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can have a look how spacious your kitchen is. You can customize your lower and upper cabinets. Also, you have space provided to place your refrigerator in this corner. And attached to your kitchen, you will be getting full French doors with a dryer space provided where you can place your washing machine. And now, opposite to your kitchen space, we have your common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, you have extra storage space provided above your common washroom. Moving forward, diagonally opposite to your common washroom and beside your kitchen is your first bedroom over here. You can see this over here is the space of your first bedroom. You can easily place a queen size bed. You can customize your wardrobe and build lofts if you wish to. And in this bedroom, you will be getting full French windows with a standing balcony provided. You can see this is the space of your first bedroom. You have walkable space even after placing your furniture. And as we move forward, right in front of your first bedroom, you have extra utility space that you can customize totally as per your choice. Now, before moving forward to the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, give you actual location tours. We tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's have a look at the master bedroom of this 2 BHK. As we move forward, you can see how spacious your alley area is. And over here, we have the entrance to your master bedroom. You have extra space at the entrance of your master bedroom that gives you full privacy. And this is the space. You can see you can easily place your king size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your wardrobe and build lofts if you wish to. Also, you can see you have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. And in this master bedroom, you will be getting full French windows with a very spacious balcony where again you can place your tea tables, tea chairs or your swings. You can see this balcony is very spacious. And as I said, this is the actual tower, so you can also have a look at the actual view. Moving forward, in this corner, we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, you can see here storage space provided inside your private washroom. And this was your 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Vaishnavi Pride. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat tours. So everyone, this was a 2 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project Vaishnavi Pride with the code name Central Square by Vaishnavi Buildcon located in Kalyan East.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.